Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your earbuds Energy System Style 4 from your Android device. You have to start by open eSmart Connection application. Now you should be in this menu. If you are in the headphones menu, just go back by using this icon at the left top. Right here you need to select three dots, so tap on them. Then click Device Management. Click at your headphones, select them, and click Remove Device. And then click Confirm. Now, as you can see, we have no devices in the application. But if we go to the settings and to the Bluetooth, you can see that it also removed your headphones from your phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!